The IQ Risk product is a BSA and AML tool that helps access and manage risk profiles for all of your consumer and commercial accounts. IQ Risk helps you prevent losses at your financial institution and reduces the high cost of complying with the requirements. By populating your information from the core processing system you use at account opening, the IQ Risk product creates a seamless process to build the infrastructure of your suspicious activity monitoring program. Time-consuming manual worksheets are no longer needed when using this automated scoring process for risk ratings. To begin, the login screen to the risk assessment site can be retrieved on your company intranet so that both your BSA officer and CSR can access. Just log in with your given username and password. Next, click on the risk link to go to the main risk assessment page. From here, you can either choose to create a new assessment or view an existing assessment. This demonstration will focus on an existing high-risk level customer, Frank's Bar and Tavern. There are several ways to filter all of the assessments that have been made. Filters can be set according to the legal name, SSN 10, NAICS code, risk level, points, or the date that it was created. By filtering by risk level and typing in the search criteria as high, this report will reflect any filters that have been applied to the assessment list. As you see on the screen, there are two customers that fall into the high risk category. By clicking on the select button next to Frank's Bar and Tavern, this assessment can be edited, deleted, or a PDF report can be generated for the specific assessment. This screen shows an overview of Frank's expected monthly cash deposits, withdrawals, and wire amounts. By clicking on the Edit Assessment button, 5 other tabs will now be visible, as well as the address fields and additional information. Please take a look at the second tab labeled Business Nature. On the Business Nature screen, these fields are completely customizable. Also, your bank's information can be imported into a SQL table or database. NAICS codes are computed, anticipated monthly cash deposits, withdrawals, and wires are recorded. Exception reporting will detect changes in a customer's risk profile by comparing the customer's anticipated cash transaction volume to actual volumes and flag the entry. Please note in the comment section that Frank Romano resides in Spain while his business operates in the bank's market area. Since he resides in a foreign country, there is a higher risk assigned. The next two tabs are Owners and Officers and Authorized Signers. Moving on to the Accounts tab is where any accounts related to this business may be added. The last tab is the questionnaire section of the IQ Risk product. Metavante's compliance team will help you develop a risk scoring system that's tailored appropriately for your market and risk exposure. While answering the questionnaire, if a high-risk customer is identified, the system can prompt the CSR to contact the BSA officer. Additionally, the BSA officer can later run reports according to specific risk levels, such as moderate, high, and extreme risk. The online form eliminates consuming paper-based forms. Also, this product offers the ability to require fields to ensure bank staff comply, or if preferred by the bank, to generate reports to highlight where staff is not complying. As you answer these questions, a risk rating score is assigned each time you save, and if you change an answer, the risk rating changes according to the risk involved. In order to verify all of the required questions have been answered, a completion checklist can be reviewed. These questions can be updated from the completion check section until everything has been answered. The final section of the IQ Risk product demonstration focuses on administrator tools. The administrator tools can only be accessed if the account that is logged into has administrator privileges. This menu will automatically be visible beside the risk link if it is available. From this menu, any administrator can edit whether a user is active, see the user's name, email address, and see when the account was created and the last login data shown. You can delete accounts as well as add users on this page. Different membership roles can be created and deleted from this page. In the questions section of the assessment, different sections can be made and edited. All of the questions that are in the questionnaire section of the assessment can be added and edited from this section. Point values for the questionnaire can also be added and edited in this section. Thank you for viewing the IQ Risk Assessor product demonstration. For more information, please contact Metavante sales staff or call Martha Scott at 866-632-2471.